to my channel, and today I'm going to be doing a tidy my room with me video. So let's get on to the video. My room is actually a tip, so yeah, it might take a while to tidy. So I'll put into a little clip now of how messy my room is. Okay, right, this is currently how messy my room looks. Yes, it is a tip, and I'm actually kind of ashamed to be showing you guys this because this is generally the messiest my room has ever been. So yeah, so let's go put these in the washing basket to start off with. So let's do a little cool transaction because why not? Okay, now they're gone. So now we need to do all of this mess.
Seaweed is always greener in somebody else's lake. You dream about going up there, but that is a mistake. Just look at the world around you, right here on the ocean floor. Such wonderful things around you. What more are you looking for? Under the sea. Under the sea.
Okay, right, now I've got more washing. I've got a tracksuit, a bra, and this blanket that I used last night because I faked tan and I didn't want to get like over my duvet and stuff. I think that's all I actually have to put in the wash. Yeah, I think everything else is clean, so I'm gonna go put these in the wash and then I'll be right back. So that's my bed made. That looks a lot better. Actually, it's a bit. Hold on a second. I need to do this. There we go. Now that looks a lot better. So my bed's all made, so that looks a lot better. And now, oops-a-daisies, I'm going to sort out my desk because my desk is looking a mess. So I'm going to do a little time lapse of me actually tidying this up. Last night I actually brain clouded some, and I've just got Coke on the floor. Some video ideas, so I'm going to put it on my bed so you guys don't see some upcoming video ideas. Yeah, I've just got Coke on the floor. Luckily, there was like hardly any left. So we'll just wipe that up. I have so many bottles of water. If you can tell, I'm obsessed with Buxton water because, I don't know, I just think it's amazing. I don't know why. This is literally all I drink. If you know me, then you know I drink this like all the time. People are going to be like, oh, why are you wasting whole bottles of water? They've actually been there for ages. So, yeah. An empty popcorn packet. Who loves the microwave freaking whatchamacallit popcorn? It tastes so good, doesn't it? Just me? I don't know.
When you roll, rough ahead and you're miles and miles from a nice warm beer. You just remember what you heard past. You got a friend in me. Yeah, you got a friend in me.
Finished my desk. Generally think that looks a lot better than it is, and now we've got to tackle this. I think I'm going to put the clothes on the chair away first. So if I put you here, you should hopefully be able to see into my cupboard.
Now I'm the king of the swingers, oh, the jungle VIP. I've reached the top and had to stop, and that's what's bothering me. I want to be a man.
Okay, so I finished hanging up my clothes. Let's take this a second. Basically, those are my boyfriend's clothes, so I'm going to fold them up neatly on the chair because I don't actually have enough room in my wardrobe for them. And that's dirty, because you know sometimes like you chuck dirty clothes on your chair just like as an instant thing. Well, I forgot there was clean clothes on there, so that's dirty. That needs to go in the wash. And then I need to fold up these in the chair and then sort out the rest of the mess. Okay, so this part of my room I've had to turn off my ring light, so the lighting's not going to be as good. This is wonky. So the lighting's, yeah, it's not going to be as good. But will do. So now I'm going to, actually let's hang up these coats. Basically, right, every time I go see my boyfriend, I bring his coat with me to give back to him, and I always end up coming back home with it. So today when I go see him, I'm not bringing it with me because I always just end up coming home with it, and yeah, it's going to be hot today, so I don't want to do that. So I need to hang these coats over my door because I'm not going to need a coat today. And I'm also going to hang up this dressing gown. This is my boyfriend's dressing gown, but it's literally the comfiest dressing gown going, so I literally wear it all the time. So I'm going to go hang these up on my door. That's all done. Okay. I really need to hoover my floor. There's all sorts of stuff on it. Okay, this has got that in it. That is just tap water. I don't drink tap water. And then a bunch of leaves and some socks. So I need to go in the washing basket. And they've still got stuff in them. They can stay in there. I'm going to hang this up on my door. And now we got leaves on the floor. Okay, what are these? Oh, these are my nice jeans. They probably need to go in the wash now. What else have we got? We've got clothes. They've got hair on them. That's my boyfriend's t-shirt. That's mine. That's mine. And that's my boyfriend's. I just seem to have a lot of his clothes. He's always moaning that his clothes have gone missing. I think I might have them all. Oopsies. Okay, I'm going to go hang these up. It's literally just a tracksuit and a pair of joggers. So I'm just going to hang these up and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm now going to fold up these clothes. And then I need to hoover my room and then we're nearly done. There's just like a little rubbish in that bag, like not rubbish, like stuff I need, but in that bag. I think it looks a lot better than the beginning of. So yeah, so thank you for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you guys would like to see like a room tour where I go into like detail about my room, then comment down below and I'll make sure to do that for you guys. And any other video suggestions, then also comment them down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.